No. Umamin ka nga, magsabi ka nga ng totoo. Queen of Swords energy, this could be you or this could be the person here that you're dealing with, but someone here asked for some kind of truth, no? Someone here could be, trying to squeeze yung truth, no, sa isang individual right here. So, alamin natin ano ba yan, no? Mm. Whoever you're dealing with here, it looks like this person could be asking for some kind of patience, no? Parang, yeah, there could be something here related to the word wait. Eh, parang gusto niya rito na maghintay ka or parang just hang in there. But for some reason, the temperance energy, this is someone here na nakikita ko rito, yung energy no, niya is very pure. Okay, very pure. Yan, very pure. Letter F. So yun yung mga babes. Let's keep moving. Kasi natin itong tissue. Okay, let us. Medyo nag-uulan mga babes, kaya naman don't forget your umbrellas, no? At kung hindi naman kailangan lumabas, huwag na kayong lumabas ng mga babes, no? Especially mga walang pasok dyan ng mga students. Hmm. Oh. Tignan mo, we have here the King of Cups energy to the Queen of Cups energy. Mahal ka nito, ikaw lang ang tinitingnan nito. Pero may nakikita ka ditong problema, no? Meron ditong maaring hindi pagkakaunawaan, hindi pagkakaintindihan, at posibleng naki-question ang pagmamahal, no? So, maaring may ganong klase ng sitwasyon and that's very strong, no? But let me just gather other, informations right here for me to be able to relay, yung right messages here for you guys. So, just take only what resonates. Let me continue. Yeah, look at that. See, we have here the Five of Swords energy right at the middle of this reading here. I'm hearing speculations, but I think this is completely a misunderstanding, no? Definitely. Yeah, see, there are a lot of indications right here. You've got here the Hierophant energy, just discard energy, Four of Wands energy. This person here is definitely serious about you guys. Okay? So before we start this reading, let me just greet everybody first. Hi and hello there everyone. By the way, my name is Yan. Hi new subscribers! Welcome! At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Sa inyo mga babes, wala po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Lahat kayo welcome. And of course, this is timeless as well. So, just take only what resonates. Sa iba, pwedeng tapos or nangyari na to. Sa iba naman, pwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. At sa iba naman, ay pwedeng hindi pa at isang prediction sa kanilang future. However, meron kayong free will, no, na of course, pwede ninyong gamitin, no, anumang oras at anywhere. So, yun nga mga babes, no. So, here, nakita ko rito, no, na this person here loves you at ikaw lang yung tinitingnan niya, no. We have here the King of Hearts and the Queen of Hearts. So you both love each other right here and the Six of Cups is telling me na posibleng kayo, matagal na kayo, na parang yung iba siguro sa inyo, no, parang nag-aaral pa lang kayo, kayo na, no, or nagsimula kayo bilang young love. Na iba naman, doesn't have to be na nagsimula kayo bilang young love dito, pero nakita ko ritong either matagal na kayo, no, or sigurado na kayo. Okay? Yeah, that's the word, no? Sigurado na kayo sa isa't isa. At ito kaya na I think you are already, at the right age, both of you, no? And I think you could be already, someone here could be bringing up, about marriage. Yan. Marriage, wherein pagsasama ng dalawang taong nagmamahalan, no, na may lalagdaang kontrata kung saan kayo ay magiging iisa na, no, at bibitbitin na ng isa ang apelyido or pangalan ng isa, no. Isang katibayan, no, na kayong dalawa ay mag-asawa, no, hindi lamang sa batas ng Panginoon, kundi pati na rin sa batas ng tao. Okay? That's what we call marriage. And I think this is you, no, na parang you are always bringing this topic up, no? Babe, why not magsama na kaya tayo? Nasa right age naman na tayo eh. Parang ready naman na tayo na magkaroon ng pamilya, tsaka gusto ko makagawa na rin tayo ng mga mini-miss natin, no? Yung mga baby, siguro yung mga anak ninyo, gusto niyo na to. Parang excited, no? One of you could be excited. It could be you or it could be the other person, you know. You can flip roles because this is general reading. However, just take only what resonates. Basta meron ditong gusto na mag-asawa, no? Gusto na magsama, makapagsimula, no, ng isang pamilya, no? Tumira sa isang roof or isang home, no? And it is because of love. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito that your person here also wants that to happen, no? Also wants that to happen right here, no? So, we have here this Five of Coins energy and there's this Ten of Coins energy. Yeah, I heard that song. You know that song. It's not the ring I wear around my finger. Yeah, so it's not the ring. You know what I got from that, no? Nakuha ko dito na, alam niyo mga babes, no? Ring is the symbol of engaging, di ba? Sa isang person, no? Pag siya ay nag-propose dito, no? Kasi ganito yan mga mahal, no? Pag bumili ka ng singsing, yeah, I know, okay? Meron yung price, no? Iba-iba yun, no? Depende sa karat, no? Ng diamond or anong klaseng singsing yung ibibigay, no? Ng partner mo sa inyo, no? Pero your partner is telling here na hindi ito tungkol dun sa singsing. It's more than that. Kasi kaya kanyang bilhan ng kahit na anong singsing dito. This person here loves you so much that you mean the whole world for him or her. Pero, with this Five of Coins energy, and there's this Ten of Wands energy, Eight of Coins energy, mga babes, no? This person here is not yet ready financially. Kasi hindi lang naman ito tungkol sa singseng, no? Let's face reality. In this 3D world, alam natin na hindi lang tayo papakainin ng singseng. Tama? And ayaw ng person mo na dumating yung time na mahirapan ka, no? Hindi ka naman yung klase ng energy na mareklamo. Kasi parang you appreciate naman eh, no? All the things, kahit yung mga small things na ginagawa niya for you. Pero kasi siya ito, na gusto ka niya ditong bigyan ng maayos na buhay, lagi kayong may pagkain sa hapagkainan, o yung pagkain na, alam mo yon, no, yung mabubusog talaga kayo, no, gusto niya kayong bigyan dito ng tahanan, no, meron siya rito kinakaharap na parang financial crisis, maaring meron siya ngayong mga kinakaharap ng mga sitwasyon kung saan posibleng baka meron pang kailangan mga bayaran, no? Pwedeng may mga kailangan pang tapusin, no? Na bayarin, no? Kung hindi man sa kanya yun, pwedeng sa family member, baka sa kanyang mom or sa kanyang dad, no? Might be merong mga loans, yan, no? Or baka meron pang pinag-aaral ng mga kapatid, no? Or whatever, no? So, possible rin na hindi nagiging sapat yung kinikita niya dito, no? And we do all know that this person here loves you so much. Ayaw niya na ikasal lang kayo, no? Ng poof, ganun lang, 'di ba? Gusto niya kayong bigyan ng marriage, 'di ba? Hindi man yung as in bonggacious, no, na parang malahari, malari na ang kasal. No, pero gusto niya kayong bigyan ng kasal regardless of your religion, guys, regardless of your beliefs and tradition. This person here loves you so much. That's why he or she wants you na ibigay yung decente at deserve mong wedding ceremony, 'di ba? Kasi mahal ka niya, 'di ba? Gusto ka niya, mga babes, na magsuot ng suit, magsuot ng wedding dress, no? Yung talagang gusto mong suotin, hindi yung eto na lang, 'di ba? Ayaw niya ng gano'n because this person loves you so much, 'di ba? Kaya nga lagi ko inuulit-ulit that you mean the whole world for this person here. Gusto niya ibigay sa'yo, no? Pero gusto niya rito, bigyan mo muna siya ng time. Yan, no? Kasi nagkakaroon dito ng speculations na parang feeling mo, um, marami kang naiisip, no? Bakit ba tuwing bring up ko yung marriage? Palagi mong iniiwasan yung topic. Are you seeing someone else? Yan, no? That is one of your speculations. Okay? At yung iba possible na, mahal mo ba talaga ako? Kasi ang tagal na natin eh. Hindi mo binabot up yung marriage. And kapag binot up ko yung marriage, nililigaw mo yung usapan. Iniiba mo yung topic. Change mo yung topic. Hindi mo ba ako mahal? Yan, no? Or meron ka bang kinatatagpong iba? Yan, no? Tell me. Yan, no? Parang ganun kayo dito. This is argument right here, no? Kasi this is you. You could be excited, settling down with this person right here because this is the person you love so much, diba? Sino ba namang hindi excited to be with that person, no? At maging proud na bit-bit mo yung pangalan niya, yung apelyido niya, wala tayong gender dito, no? 'Di ba? Yung isa ka ng maging misis, 'di ba? So, wala tayong gender mga babes. But I think this is something here, no, na parang um, dahil nga parang matagal nyo nang binibring up itong klase ng situation na ito, na feeling ninyo, hindi nagke-create ng effort ang inyong person, no? Pero nagsa-struggle ka siya rito financially. Possible rin kasi na hindi niya ito sinasabi sa inyo at tinatago niya lang kasi with the Hierophant right here, this is someone here na parang not really speaking all the truth, no? Kasi ayaw niya rito makadagdag sa mga isipin at burden mo. Yan. So, this person right here loves you so much, honey. Okay? Na kaya niya ritong gawin ang lahat for you. That's why he wants to give you marriage. It's not just the ring. Okay? Yeah, it could be the symbol of love. Pero gusto niya nitong ibigay, no? Yung once in a lifetime na maikakasal kayo, gusto niya ibigay yung very best niya sa'yo, no? Hindi lang hindi lang sa marriage ninyo, kundi after the marriage din. This person wants to give you the life that you deserve, no? You are really, part of this person's future right here. It's just that this person right here could be juggling with finances right now, but it does not mean na hindi kanya pakakasalan or hindi kanya gustong pakasalan. This is actually bothering him din, no? Iniisip niya rin ito. Pero ayaw niya kasi mga babes, no, na basta lang to ibigay sa inyo. It's not about love, but this person here could be pertaining also, no, with the economy, okay, especially if you are in the Philippines or this person's work is in the Philippines, no, we do all know, no, na yung ekonomiya, no, is also a part, 'di ba, ng ating finances, salary, income, 'di ba? So, nakikita ko rito that this person here, no, is really working hard with the Eight of Coins energy, no, na pataasin at i-increase rito, no, yung kanya ritong finances so that he or she can give you the life na gusto niyang ibigay sa inyo. It's not his or her ego. It's not just his or her pride right here getting in the way, but this is this person's love for you. Okay? I'm gonna ask you, are you willing to do everything for this person here because you love him or her? Because if you're gonna tell me na yes, then alam ko, no, na parang ikaw to, na siguro deep down inside, no, you feel like parang pinapatagal niya lang, or you feel like na parang hindi siya ganun kaseryoso sa'yo, pero mahal mo siya, no? Don't worry mga babes, no? Because this person here, hindi niya kayang mabuhay without you. Hindi dahil nasanay kayong magkasama dahil matagal na yung iba sa inyo na nagkaroon ng relasyon or magkarelasyon, 'di ba? But this person here, you know this? Di ba binanggit ko kanina? Hierophant energy, Justice card energy, Four of Wands energy. This person here, okay? These are all confirmations of wedding. Okay? So, it's not love. Okay? Hindi dapat questionin yun mga babes, no? Okay? It's not also gyoron, no? Gyoron anira. Okay? This is something here, okay, na gusto niyang ibigay sa'yo dahil mahal ka niya. Gusto kanyang bigyan ng isang magandang wedding ceremony. Alam naman natin na lahat yan may bayad. Okay? Reception, food. What are the choices of the food? No? Meron din niyang mga equivalent na mga cost. Diba? Okay? The wedding gown, ayaw niya magsuot ka lang ng hiniram mo or whatever, no? And what about the wedding bands? The ring, no? So, lahat yon, no? Gusto niya ibigay yun sa'yo, yung makapipili ka. Hindi yung basta kung ano lang yung meron dyan. You know that kind of love. Okay? So, this person here could be asking you, no, na bigyan mo pa siya ng a little time, no? Para mas makaipon pa dito, no? Para maibigay niya sa'yo rito, no? Parang yun yung hinihingi niya sa'yo, honey. Do not think that this person here do not love you or he or she is not really serious to you because that's not what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a person right here willing to, sacrifice his or her health, okay? Just to give you everything. Yeah, I know. In our world right now, in the 3D world, okay, this one I can see is very rare type of energy. But this person here is not just anyone else. This is your person. Ah. So nakikita ko dito na kung sino man tong energy na to, this person here, for real, gusto niya ibigay sa'yo rito. No? Yung lahat. Yung bahay na gusto mo, yung bahay, disenyo, interior, ilang palapag, kung ano man yung gusto mo. Gusto niya rin yan, excited na rin siya na makagawa kayo ng mga mini-miss ninyo, your little girl, your little boy. And this person here really wants to build that family. She's really very excited as well, just like you. But this person right here will be very sad if mangyari ito nang hindi siya prepared financially. Emotionally, this person's very sure about you. Hindi ko siya nakikita rito na tumitingin sa iba. You're dealing with someone who's very faithful, honey. Okay? So, parang hinihingi niya rito na parang mahal. Yan. Eee! Iba siguro sa inyo, no? Ang tawagan ninyo mahal, no? Ayan, no? Ay, naku, may hantik na dyan sa tabi mo. Ang sweet, no? So, parang mahal, bigyan mo pa ako sana ng konting time para makapag-ipon ako. No? Kasi yun yung iniisip niya rito. Gusto niya rito, mga babes, na ibigay yun sa inyo lahat. Yung makapipili ka talaga. Yan. See? So, yeah. Wow, no? So, alam ko bumaba na yung inis ninyo ngayon. Alam nyo, this could possibly be quite personal reading for some of our viewers right here, no? Pero yun nga, okay? Just take only what resonates. So, thank you so much for your time here, babe. Muli po ako si Yan and Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong!